A lot of people ask me what makes New Sound so different than other programs. So let me tell you. First, it's simple pronunciation. The way I teach pronunciation is simple and intuitive, and that is because I'm a non-native speaker myself, and I had to learn it, and I know how our brain works when trying to learn sounds that are not in our first language. Also, I teach you how to spot your mistakes and give yourself feedback so you don't always need to depend on other people to tell you if you're doing a good job. So the simple pronunciation work is going to really improve not only your clarity and confidence in English, but also your fluency, vocabulary, and grammar. The second thing is confidence and mindset work. You have to transform your English not just from the outside in, but from the inside out. This work is going to be fundamental, and it's going to change how you think and feel in English simply by learning to become aware of your thoughts and how to change your thoughts so they're more aligned with the results that you want to see. And finally, you have a full circle of support. New Sound is known for its incredible community that keeps our students engaged, accountable, and inspired. But also we have a stellar team of coaches and a student success team, and all of us are working towards making sure that you get to the finish line successfully, you understand the content, you do the work, and you reach incredible results. New Sound is closing doors really soon. So if you want to transform your English, make sure you click the link right next to this video and join us before it's too late. I'll see you inside.